Get all closing documents organized now so moving day is smooth and legal issues do not delay possession. Start by collecting the title documents and mortgage payoff statement and keep both in a single labeled folder that you carry or lock in a secure digital vault. Add inspection reports and any written estimates or receipts for repairs and improvements so buyer credits or seller obligations are clear at closing. Confirm keys, garage door codes, alarm codes, and utility account transfers, and note them on a checklist that you share with your buyer or agent the day before closing. Contact your real estate attorney and escrow officer at least 3 business days before closing to confirm that funds, identification, and signatures are all in place and to resolve any last-minute title or lien issues. Prepare a final walkthrough checklist that compares the property condition to the sales contract and inspection items so you can document agreed repairs or remaining items. Scan or photograph every paper you will sign and back up those images to 2 separate cloud locations and 1 offline drive to prevent loss if anything goes missing on moving day. Common problems include missing payoff figures, which can delay disbursement at closing, so call the lender and request a written payoff and wiring instructions at least 5 days prior and recheck the figures the day before. Another frequent issue is forgotten keys or access codes, which leads to buyer inconvenience and post-closing calls, so pack all keys and codes together and hand them to the escrow officer or buyer at closing with a signed receipt. Title exceptions or unresolved liens can surface late, so have your attorney order an updated title search within 72 hours of closing and be prepared to resolve or escrow disputed items so the closing can proceed. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors related to closing tasks and moving repairs, and we help contractors find new work near them. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share checklists, recommended forms, and first-hand moving and closing tips.